If you want to delete a user profile in Mozilla Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to remove a Firefox profile safely and easily. This is useful if you have an old profile you no longer need, want to clean up extra profiles, or just want to keep your browser organized. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the three-line menu icon that gives you access to Firefox settings and profile options. After that, find and click on Profile. This will open the profile-related options inside Firefox. From there, click Manage Profiles. This is where Firefox shows all the user profiles currently saved on your browser. You'll now see a list of profiles. Take a moment to locate the profile you want to delete. Be careful here, because once you remove a profile, it may be difficult to recover depending on what data was stored in it. When you found the correct one, look near that profile and click the trash icon. That trash icon is the delete option, and clicking it will remove the selected profile from Firefox. Firefox may ask you to confirm your decision before continuing, so go ahead and approve the deletion if prompted. And that's it. The profile will be deleted from Mozilla Firefox. If you were trying to clean up unused profiles or remove an old browser setup, you've now done it successfully. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.